That was a very, very noisy evening for some of you yesterday. It's always unsettling when hail comes down, and even though there were only maybe a half a dozen hailstorms out there, if it was over your house, that means you're surveying some damage this morning. All is relatively quiet out there this morning. Shot from up north shows some extra clouds where we're going to see some showers pushing in. And what's interesting about this morning is we're on the warmer side. We're in the 60s this morning. We have a little more moisture. But the storms that produced the hail yesterday, each one of these blue dots is a severe weather report of hail from the National Weather Service. So there were literally 46, 47 reports, almost 4 dozen. And to be severe, it has to be at least the size of a quarter or bigger. We didn't have any reports bigger than golf ball size, but between quarters and golf balls, those do damage to cars. And up towards Sherman and Bonham and Leonard, we had a bunch. And then in Collin County, around McKinney and Allen and Lucas and even parts of Plano, we had some, especially East Plano. And then into Dallas, around Mesquite, we had a bunch, and even some near the airport. So they were congregated near the individual cells. We don't have that this morning. What we do have is rain showers and a few thunderstorms. Fortunately, nothing is severe, but there's some decent rain coming over the Red River. We already had some. I'll show you in our eastern counties about an hour or so ago. These showers north of Denton up towards Gainesville are moving to the east-southeast. So again, Lake Louisville, Ray Roberts, up towards McKinney, you're going to get more rain. That rain coming out of Oklahoma, just north of Highway 82, Bonham over towards Sherman, moving towards Honey Grove and Paris is moderately heavy. And some of the rainfall totals have already been in the 2-inch range. I mean, anything that's yellow up here is a couple inches north of Greenville. You can see, you look at this and you're like, well, it doesn't seem like there was much in Dallas. These cells were relatively small, very pretty cells to look at, the cauliflower or the popcorn. But where they came down, you got buckets, you got some heavy rain, you got some wind, and you had hail yesterday. What we're dealing with this morning, though, is going to be confined. That's the interesting part of the forecast. I've been saying it all morning. There's areas north, northeast, and east are going to get the bulk of the rain today. Areas to the south and west of the Metroplex are going to get at least a little sun to heat things up. It's slightly more humid this morning. It's not really humid, but it was enough yesterday. We had just that border to produce some of those thunderstorm cells. And again, because the bases of those were relatively high, there was wind and hail coming out of them. There were no tornado reports. The front from yesterday is now stalled just to the south of us, and it's pretty warm and humid south of that front, but we're not going to see 90-degree temperatures today. We could see 80 or low 80s. But this lift continues in this conveyor belt. Notice it's all the way back to Oklahoma City. So there'll be several hours of this that continue north and east of the Metroplex, at least through noon, early afternoon. And then we watch what's coming at us for Thursday and Friday. These bright white clouds in Mexico are going to break free. That's one piece of energy tomorrow afternoon. And then this little spin you see coming over towards Baja, that is going to be in Friday. So Thursday and Friday, additional rain chances. About 40 to 50% of us will get some rain. Nothing severe, it looks like, Thursday and Friday. Higher in our southern counties tomorrow, especially in the afternoon, Thursday night, and then lingering into the first half of Friday. Hopefully it gets out of here by the afternoon and we dry it out, but higher coverage in our eastern and southeastern counties, and then Saturday should be just dry. So our futurecast today, you're watching showers and storms come down from our north and eastern counties. Some could still squeeze into the Metroplex. It's not out of the question, but the bulk of the rain is going to be north and east. And notice, like Paris barely gets to 70 today, while DFW makes it to 80 and some low 80s south and east, or south and west. Tomorrow morning, more clouds. It turns mainly cloudy, which kind of locks us in the 70s tomorrow. A cooler day. Showers pick up in the afternoon and especially into the evening hours, and then again overnight and into Friday, the first half of Friday. I think the second half will tend to be the drier half Friday. 7-day forecast. We're at 80 degrees today. 70s for a couple of days. A lot of clouds Thursday and Friday, which includes the Rangers home opener tomorrow. So if you're tailgating, I think the morning through noon should be okay. Then Friday, we get it out of here in the afternoon. Saturday, after clouds break up, it is a windy, warm, humid day. Sunday, can't rule out some stronger storms in our eastern counties. Not a lot of them, but there's still the chance. And then we cool down Monday and Tuesday.